Let's take a look at what's happening out at the coastline. This is Pismo Beach a little bit earlier today. And with all the canceled activities around California, I think the beaches are going to play a pretty big role every weekend coming up. So, forecast outlook again, I have reworked this thing over the last few hours. I think the shower chances are pretty slim. I think most folks don't see much in the way of measurable rainfall. I think maybe a droplet or two coming out of the mid layers. That's the issue with this thing. This is a mid-level storm. So rain can fall and get absorbed on the way to the ground. We saw Virga in the clouds today. I think that's probably what we see over the weekend as well. Otherwise, variably cloudy, mild temps, and those temps will continue into next week. You can see the low spinning just off the coast, but even as some of those bands approach the central coast, they're not producing rainfall, just high cloud cover. Keep in mind, we had most of the week with hot, dry weather inland. So this system was going to have to bring a lot of moisture with it. And again, at the mid levels, it's fine. It's unstable, looks pretty good. But at the lowest levels, it doesn't have a lot to work with. So that system is tracking quickly to the north and to the east. In Northern California, yeah, it's producing some rainfall, could even produce some thunderstorms up there tomorrow. But locally here, let's put the microclimate high-res model to test. It's not showing much other than clouds. Yeah, it's showing some activity off the coast, but if anything, the model's been overstating it just a hair. As we get into Sunday, it's just going to be fairly light winds until the afternoon, then northwest winds about 15 miles per hour, variably cloudy skies, more clouds on the way Monday. In fact, Monday, late Monday in the Temblor range, we could actually see some showers there from a different disturbance moving through the area. All of this argues to keep the temperatures down, but again, this is the model output. And these are updated models here, just showing a little bit at the coastline and away from the coast, not showing much at all. Temperatures currently upper 50s, low 60s, almost everybody with similar temperatures there. And the winds are unremarkable out of the south. And again, it's all kind of swirling around that low. Temperatures are pretty close to where they were yesterday. A little cooler in Paso, a little warmer elsewhere. The little yellow dot, that is our upper low. Look how quickly it moves out of the area between now and early Sunday. That next dot, that is the next upper low. That tracks a little better across our area, but again, it's also moisture deprived. Some mountain showers possible Monday. Other than that, just general troughiness across California, keeping temperatures in check. Okay, see Orlando there? Some thunderstorms. Orlando is not far from the Cape. Central section of the country, 83 Denver, 72 in Bismarck, North Dakota, 61 in Seattle, 76 with some scattered thunderstorms in Sac, and 74 in San Diego, closer to home. Mid-70s for the central and south coast. Santa Ynez Valley temperatures also in the mid-70s. Some of the beaches will be in the 60s. I think we'll get a little bit of marine influence. There's a little bit of onshore flow there. But again, variably cloudy skies. Extended forecast doesn't change that much all the way into the middle portion of next week. North County, though, does warm up to nearly 90 degrees on Wednesday.